Good afternoon, hello everybody, and welcome again to the channel. Today I will be presenting the new project for this winter. It's the Gold Lion. It's a Belgian motorcycle made somewhere at the end of the 40s and beginning of the 50s. It's powered. There is some engine underneath which gives it 2 horsepower, and it's the Sachs, the Fichtel and Sachs 98 cc 2-stroke engine. It's classified as a motorcycle, but it's more like a bicycle with a help engine. It's 2-stroke. It has 2 gear which operate this lever. It has a normal gas manet. It's from the first owner. I have it now about 1 year. It was sitting in the shed. Now I took it out to start on the project. At the moment it is 100% original, and it will be kept in this condition. So no painting, no repairs on the tank, because it has a little dent inside, probably from a fall, if you see. So at one time it was crashed. It has an amazing 1452 kilometers, which I believe can be correct, since we still have the original tires on the bike, which amazingly after 70 almost years still hold air. It has a drum brake in the front, and it has the torpedo brake at the back, which is operated by the pedals. If you put them back, then it brakes. It will be completely disassembled, cleaned up and reassembled, and there will be only cleaning, which I will do. No paint job, no parts will be changed except for the cables, the electrics, the light bulbs, just to be sure. There is also a pinion seat which comes here on the rack, which I have taken off just to move it a little bit easier. It has a fishtail-like exhaust, which will be only cleaned. It will be brand new after cleaning. That I am 100% sure, because the chrome looks very good. Back tire also still the original. Still some cow excrements inside. Some time long ago it has been over the border, so we have still the original tag to cross the border after the war. That's the tag of the engine, Fichtel and Sachs. It has 2.75 horsepower, which now will be around 2, because during some days engine will have lost some. There is a little bag here where you can store some tools. Now at the moment there is still a spark plug, although an empty box of the plug which was there. it has no rear suspension, but the seat has some kind of suspension inside. Front suspension is a Springer-like, which is adjustable. So if you're driving 2 people on it or a heavy one, then it's okay. You can adjust it. The headlight still in good shape. Little dent can be taken out. The lion on the fender is not the original, but is very cute, so I will leave it there. There was a tag here with license plate, but that is not longer available. It came without registration, so that will be a very special situation to get the papers to get it back on road. But I think it will be a very nice project. It's one of the only bikes that I found from this brand, the Gold Lion, in the 98cc. There is one 49cc which has been sold years ago, which I found on the internet. So this probably might be the only one surviving Gold Lion, this engine. So I'm very curious how it will come out. Rear light, perfect shape, no cracks, not broken. Beautiful wheels with spokes and a nice striping, all original. And the wheels turn beautifully, although there is a little play on the wheel, on the hub, but that will be arranged. The engine itself is at the moment running, so it has spark, it has gas. I made a test, but for now I won't start it because I want to take it apart, lube it up, clean out the carburetor, put in a new spark plug, which this one is sitting there a very long time, I think. Clean out the air filter because I think there is a lot of little animals inside now, flies and stuff. I will clean out the electrics. I will search for the pump, which comes here at the bottom. That's the only thing that is missing at the moment. And when it's a runner, we will change the tires, outside and inner tubes. We will start it up, and this will be driven as a weekend bike, just for fun. The other one, the Veradero, is in the back. That one is daily use, or should I say daily abuse, to get to work and make some trips. It's a beautiful preserved bike, almost no rust, beautiful patina. And as I told, everything is in perfect original shape. One of the few old bikes you can buy, I think, in this condition. It has been sitting now for 1 year. There is oil in the engine, and here I have, after 1 year, what it lost. So just a few drops, which is, for this kind of bikes, I think probably unique, because after time they start leaking. The gaskets go down and all the oil pours out. But this one was very well preserved. the fuel tank. There is some fuel inside. The fuel tank is clean, just needs a good cleanup. The fuel hose already is replaced, but it will be replaced by one which is a little bit more to the era of the motorbike, not this giant one. So it will be a lot of fun. Probably next week I will start disassembly of the motorbike, and the first thing we will do is overhauling the carburetor and the general cleaning of the fuel system and the electrics. So the wiring, I will buy all wiring new, but I will try to find the correct one, so not from some kind of hobby shop, but we will try to get the right one, so it will be 100% original and beautiful bike. So check out within a week or two how it goes on, and for now I will leave you and start working on the bicycle.